Anurag, at the Youth Climate Summit on Saturday, you were selected as the winner of the Young Entrepreneurs Competition. Congratulations. Can you tell us more about what you're doing as an innovator to combat the climate crisis, and what do you think world leaders can do to support young entrepreneurs like yourself?
Hello, I'm Anurag, originally from India, and an entrepreneur currently based out of Singapore. And thank you for having me here today. Thank you for turning up here today. Like Paloma just said, it is true that we are in a climate emergency, and we, the youth, were caught in the middle. But fortunately for us, the youth are also the ones who are building the solutions to a lot of the climate change problems. Following a call by the SG's Office of Youth Envoy and the Office of Information and Communications Technology, during this last summer, my team and I, we worked on building a platform that allows farmers in remote communities of Africa who do not have a smartphone or who do not have internet to access high-quality weather updates. They need this because their economy is based on agriculture, and without these updates, this information, they can no longer survive because climate change has put them in a position where their agriculture is completely affected. Now, entrepreneurship and technological innovation, these are going to be the two major pillars if we are to build climate-resilient systems, if we are to fight climate change without relying solely on government policy. Which is why it is important that the governments involve and incentivize the youth. And they bring out the innovators, they bring out the entrepreneurs, and we do the best that we can to bridge the digital divide. Like we already know, the technology is on the side of the youth, but not everybody has access to it. And the ones who don't have access to it are the ones most affected by climate change, the ones most vulnerable to the world. Now, my message to the leaders out here today, my message as a young entrepreneur, is that we are expecting support. We have had enough of action plans, enough of policies, enough of statements, commitments. What we need right now is we need active support. And by active support, what we mean is that we entrepreneurs, when we start a company, we need tax breaks. We need you to support us by streamlining processes. Starting a business is so difficult right now. Why? We need ease of doing business. We need startup grants. And this is what the youth are expecting. These young people, they're risking their careers, they're risking their stable jobs, all to build solutions that can save the planet Earth. And as the leaders of the world, the least that you guys can do is provide them with a conducive platform, a platform that helps them scale their solutions. And I don't think there's a lot to ask, right? That's the least that you can do. And when we are here today to support the youth and innovation and entrepreneurship. So let's come together and ensure that we do all that we can to support these young kids, I'm one of them, to build solutions that can save the earth. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anurag.